Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your negotiation notes into Google Docs step by step clearly. Open your device and navigate to your negotiation notes. Ensure your notes are easily accessible, whether they are on paper or another digital format. If your notes are handwritten, take a clear photo of each page with your smartphone or scanner. If your notes are already in a digital format, locate the file on your device. Now, open your web browser and go to the Google Docs website by typing in docs.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already done so. Once signed in, click on the blank document option to create a new file. In the new document, title your file appropriately to reflect its contents, such as negotiation notes. If you have photos of your handwritten note, click on each image to adjust its size or alignment as needed. For typed notes, you can copy the text directly from your source by highlighting it. Right-click on the highlighted text and select Copy from the context menu. Return to your Google Docs document and right-click once more, then select Paste to insert the copied text. Review the pasted text for any formatting issues, and make corrections as needed. Use Google Docs formatting tools to adjust font size, style, or color to enhance readability. Consider using bullet points or numbering for lists to organize your notes better. If you need to add additional thoughts or concepts, just click anywhere in the document and start typing. To keep your document safe, it automatically saves every few seconds, but you can also manually save it by clicking on File and then selecting Save. Once finished, you can share your document by clicking the blue Share button in the upper right corner and entering email addresses. Adjust the sharing settings to allow others to view or edit the document as needed. Congratulations, your negotiation notes are now successfully transferred into Google Docs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.